So guys, I called here to discuss like something. You know, it's the weekend. We are having like a very long holiday ahead of us. So nilikuwa nafikiria twende Diani.
It's a good idea, by the way.
Right?
Yeah.
So Mule, will you take care of accommodation for us?
Yeah, I got you.
Me, I got the food stuff, etc. and fun activities.
Yeah, I'll deal with the rest. Now let's like rent a car because my car at the moment
By the way,
isn't.
me, I want
cannot.
a Mercedes.
You want a
Mercedes just
Mnasema
luxurious.
Mercedes?
Yeah.
Haina haja mchukue Mercedes. Mimi babangu si ako na lori na tunaweza panda hiyo, tusave hiyo pesa.
Like really, Mike, lorry. Mini pande lorry. You are not serious.
Huwezi panda lori?
That one. So we're renting it for just like a week or
A
so.
week,
So
yeah.
I'll-
I'm going to contribute 150. Is that okay?
yeah, same.
Oh,
I'll do
150?
Yeah,
Yeah.
150,000.
150,000?
Yeah.
Yes, I'll do 150 also.
I'll do 170.
Wow. So Mike,
I'll do 200.
for real 200. You're the best.
Hey, 200.
You're the best.
Sasa mbona mnafurahi hivyo sana? I mean 200. 200, I mean 1 2 3 until 200.
You mean like 200
Like,
shillings?
200 shillings. For chaser, like something like that.
Chaser, what's
Mike,
chaser?
200 shillings.
Yeah.
You do not even deserve to be here.
Yeah.
You do not even fit among us.
Crazy. 200.
200, Mike.
Are you
Sitasaidia.
joking
No.
or you're serious? You're joking,
200.
right?
Sasa nyinyi mna mean 170,000,
Like, you're
150,000.
joking.
Yes. We'll take care of the accommodation, of the fun activities, of everything else, food stuff. We just needed money for like to rent a car. We have contributed on 50, on 50, on 70.
See-
You're contributing 200 shillings, Mike.
Acha ni connect na mtu mwingine hapa dakika moja. Makosa imefanyika.
What does he mean 200
I
shillings?
guess he was joking.
Broke niggas.
Maybe he was making a joke.
Something like that.
Broke niggas. But tutatafuta tu wengine tuongezee.
Lazima
Yes,
tuende
I'll ask
Diani.
my
Yeah,
dad.
girls.
Let us go make plans. Mike can sort himself out.